Jeep Wrangler owners ask me about oil more than almost any other vehicle group. And the reason is that the Wrangler puts specific demands on motor oil that everyday car and truck driving does not. When you are wheeling off-road, running steep inclines at extreme angles, crawling through deep water crossings, sitting at high engine RPM in low range for extended periods in summer heat, the oil in your engine is being stressed in ways that the typical highway commuter never encounters. The 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 that has powered most Wranglers since 2012 and the 3.0-liter eco-diesel that came later each have specific documented vulnerabilities that the right oil choice addresses and the wrong oil choice leaves exposed. I'm going to give you my top pick, runner-up, and budget option for Wrangler oil, tell you what the Pentastar's known issue is and how oil choice affects it, and name the one oil type you should never run behind a rock-crawling day. Let me start with what actually happens to your engine oil during serious off-road use in a Wrangler. When you are crawling at a steep angle, 30–40 degrees of incline or side tilt, the oil in your crankcase is not sitting level in the pan. It shifts toward the lower end of the pan. On a sustained steep incline at low speed with high engine load, the oil pickup tube, which is designed to pull oil from the bottom of the pan when the vehicle is level, can be partially or fully uncovered if the oil level is low or the angle is extreme. An oil pickup running partially dry delivers reduced oil volume and pressure to the engine at exactly the moment the engine is working hardest under maximum mechanical load. This is why Wrangler owners should always run at or near the upper mark on the dipstick, not overfilled but full, before any serious trail run. The second issue is heat. Rock crawling and sustained low-speed, high RPM operation in summer heat generates significant engine and transmission heat without the cooling airflow that highway driving provides. Your Wrangler's engine oil temperature in serious wheeling conditions can climb significantly above normal highway operating temperature, stressing the oil's film strength and volatility characteristics. My top pick for the Jeep Wrangler 3.6 Pentastar V6 Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 5W20 for 2012 through 2017 model years using the original Pentastar spec and 5W30 for later model years that specify 5W30. Always check your oil cap and owner's manual for your specific year. The Pentastar V6 has a documented history of variable valve timing, VVT, actuator, and timing chain tensioner sensitivity to oil quality and consistency. The VVT system uses oil pressure to control the cam phaser position, and actuator wear or sluggish response, which leads to timing chain rattle on cold starts and, in severe cases, chain stretch, is worsened by oil that thins under heat or does not maintain consistent viscosity through the thermal cycles of trail use. Pennzoil Platinum's Pure Plus gas-to-liquids base oil maintains viscosity consistency across the temperature range of off-road use better than conventional Group 3 synthetics and has documented deposit control advantages in VVT passages that matter for the Pentastar. At $27 to $30 for a 5-quart jug at Walmart, it is the sweet spot of genuine performance advantage and accessible price for the Wrangler application. For the runner-up and the recommendation I give to Wrangler owners doing serious wheeling on a consistent basis, AMSOIL Signature Series in the correct viscosity. AMSOIL's NOAC volatility between 6 and 7% is among the lowest in the consumer synthetic market. Under sustained rock-crawling heat, extended low-speed, high-load operation in summer, AMSOIL burns off the least protective mass of any consumer synthetic I would recommend, maintaining film strength when the engine is at its hottest. AMSOIL's shear stability numbers are also excellent, which matters in the Pentastar's VVT passages where the oil is mechanically stressed through tight passages and actuator valves at high pressure. At $12 to $14 per quart and 25,000 miles rated interval, AMSOIL costs more per jug, but less per mile for serious off-road Wrangler owners doing extended trail runs. For the guys putting real trail miles on their Wranglers, AMSOIL is the premium recommendation I can stand behind. For the budget-conscious Wrangler owner, Mobil 1 Full Synthetic in your specified viscosity. Mobil 1 has a documented 40-year track record in high performance and demanding applications, NOAC around 8 to 9%, and strong VVT system compatibility. At $29 to $31 at Walmart for 5 quarts, it is within a few dollars of Pennzoil Platinum and provides genuine, full synthetic protection for wheeling conditions. Do not run conventional oil, synthetic blend, or discount store generic full synthetic in a Wrangler used off-road. The Pentastar's VVT sensitivity to oil quality is documented in Jeep enthusiast communities and in dealership warranty data. This is not a theoretical concern. For the Wrangler 3.0 EcoDiesel, a different set of concerns. The EcoDiesel requires a specific oil spec, the FCA MS0W40 or equivalent, which in practice means Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 0W40 or Mobil 1 0W40, meeting the European C3 specification. Do not substitute a standard American 5W30 in the EcoDiesel. The engine's turbocharger bearing, high-pressure fuel pump, and emissions system require the specific low SAPS, high-performance chemistry of the 0W40 European spec oil. Using the wrong oil in the EcoDiesel voided warranties and caused documented component failures in the early EcoDiesel years when owners used generic American spec oil without checking the Jeep requirement. One practical tip for every Wrangler trail run: check your oil level the morning before you leave for the trail. Top off to the full mark if you are within a quart of full. The angle-dependent pickup tube issue I described means running a half-quart low on the street is barely noticeable, but running a half-quart low on a 40-degree rock face with your engine at full load is a different situation entirely. 30 seconds with a dipstick before the trail could prevent a very expensive day. I've linked Pennzoil Platinum, AMSOIL Signature Series, and Mobil 1 in the correct Wrangler viscosities, including the EcoDiesel 0W40 spec, in the description below. Next time I'm covering Mobil 1 annual protection, the oil rated for 20,000 miles on a single fill, and answering whether a one change per year schedule is genuinely safe for your engine or whether it's a risk not worth taking. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.